Welcome back. Now I'm gonna put a deciliter in my garage so it can be nice and warm when the winter comes. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do that. So yeah, check this out. This is the deciliter 5 kilowatt Chinese heater. So yeah, I'll try to find a nice place for it. I'm gonna hang it on the wall, so I'm gonna use these angle brackets to do that. Need to take away a little bit here. Like that, to make it fit, because it gets in a little conflict with this one. That's okay. And now to find out how I'm gonna get the exhaust out. So let's see. Put it here and straight through and out here, as you can see. So now the exhaust is ready. Now it's on the wall and the exhaust is hooked on. Now the air filter is on. So now to the diesel tank. Need to drill a hole and put this little thing on it. Right. It needs a 8mm hole. So there's a spot here I can do. Yeah. That. Like that. And now use this. Like that. It's true. Okay. And voila. Just nice. Like that. Yeah. now to find out where I want to put it. I think I want it like here. It will be easy to fill up. Let's see. Right, let's check out the wire harness and hook up stuff. It's time to put on the fuel line. There it is, comes with. Yeah, just hook it up like with small pieces of rubber line that comes with, and these clamps. Just like that. And another one. And onto the deck. It's so I'm gonna cut the line. I'm gonna use a barber blade and a piece of wood and roll it back to cut it, so I don't squeeze it with a plier. That's nice. Something like this. And then the fuel filter. Make sure to put it the right way. Arrow that way. Important. Like that. It's important to put the filter and the fuel pump in 35 degrees upwards, like that, not straight, but like that, so you prevent air bubbles. Very important in diesel. Right, now the fuel line is up. Yeah, should work. So now it's just for the electrics. Got the wires here and use the same battery as I use for camping, and I have a spare contact I'm gonna use so I can hook it up here. So now I'm gonna solder these two wires onto the contact. Right, now it's time to put some diesel on and prime it and see if we can get it to work and no leakage. We'll see. That's enough for now. Right, let's see if I can get some life to it. And now it's ready to be primed. Just get the diesel to the diesel pump, as close to the diesel pump as possible before I start priming. So that it doesn't go too long dry. You can see it comes. Then put it back together. Time to prime it. And that we do like see those two, that arrow and that one, that and on. And you hear it. You can see the diesel here. Like that. And now I'm going to try to start it. Like that. Go outside and see if it comes any exhaust. That's a sign. Yeah, think I do that. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's see how. It's alive. Sweet. Right. See? Oh, nice and warm. It works. Sweet. So, that's my setup. Battery, diesel tank, and all the setup. Sweet.